Hello, and welcome to Week 2, Unit 2, Validating the Prerequisites. This is going to be the shortest section you're going to see in this course. Why? Because there's really only very little to say and even less to show. However, I decided to dedicate a unit to this topic as we've experienced that many challenges can be mitigated just by having done some of the preparation work prior to starting execution. And because Fiori is such a fast-moving topic, I mentioned this also in Unit 1, there are improvements and additions in almost every quarter, and it's vital that you spend some time on, number one, determining the prerequisites, and number two, ensuring that all the notes, relevant notes are applied. This helps in mitigating any unknown behavior that you might be experiencing. So SAP is providing the foundation to make the start as easy as possible by gathering all the relevant information in an easily accessible and equally easily referenced documentation. And to reach this documentation, the only URL you're going to need is help.sap.com/Fiori. And all the necessary information is collected here, and any further links or any further additional material that may need referencing is also identified over here. help.sap.com/Fiori. Now, in order to find the prerequisites for your particular scenario, what you need to do is access the prerequisite list, which is published on this slide. And I have a hyperlink in the presentation over here. I've already clicked on it. So let me switch the view to Internet Explorer and show you the prerequisite section. Now, on the help portal, when you click on the prerequisite link, it will take you directly to the installation section. If you were to access this otherwise, just click on the installation topic, and that will throw up these subtopics where prerequisites is the second main subtopic. And the prerequisites are listed in a logical order. They address databases, so either HANA, prerequisites for if you're running on HANA, prerequisites if you're running on any other database, prerequisites based on for the front-end server, the back-end server, which version of these servers. So if you're on NetWeaver 7.3.1 or 7.4.0, which SP you're on, what SP you need minimum, what SPs and versions you need for the ERP if you're deploying those scenarios, SRM, CRM, and so on. You see them listed down here. Now, going back to the presentation, the second topic that we wanted to talk about, or I said I'd like to talk about, is SAP Notes. And SAP Notes, again, are collected in the same place. They're also gathered under a title. I have a link on the left-hand side again. It's called Release Notes. Check the Release Notes. So I've clicked on this link, and it will take you. In this particular case, look away from the fact that it says transactional apps and fact sheets. They apply, the concept of notes applies to all types of applications. And here, all the notes are gathered together for you. The central SAP notes, they give you a sort of an entry point, if you will, and they usually reference other notes. So let's look at one by just clicking on it. This particular one applies to the front-end server, and it's a general information note for the UI and infrastructure components. So there's that note. It's come up, and they always follow the same format. Some symptoms, the reasons, the prerequisites, what solutions are being offered, and additional details. And then look at this section here. Additional needed notes. You have a number of notes that are referenced. Always look through these and make sure that you are up to date and up to speed in your system. Like I promised, shortest section, shortest unit, and in the next unit we are going to talk about deploying backend components. So see you soon.